What's up, y'all? Welcome back to another video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you'll be notified next time your girl drop a video. But anyways, in today's video, I'm gonna do some tape-ins, and yeah, this is her hair before. So she texturizes her own hair. So I'm gonna just go ahead, shampoo, condition it, and then we're gonna come back and I'm gonna blow dry it. So now her hair is all clean. I don't know why the video got dark right here. I don't know, but I fixed my camera settings, so the next few videos should be way better quality than they have been. Y'all, I know they've been terrible, but give you girl a break. But anyways, so I know she texturized her hair because I recently just did her silk press and something was different. And so I asked her and she was like, yeah, she did a texturizer like 2 days prior. And I was like, oh, okay. So she already has like random short pieces. Y'all could probably see that like in the back. I think she told me in the back she had an undercut. So that explains that. But like on the right side of her head, she has like a chunk of short pieces over there. And then in the middle, she has some short pieces also. So I'm just doing the usual blowout routine, like, except this time I'm using a dimming brush, and I know y'all are used to me using my round brushes, but I just decided to go ahead and just use the dimming brush. And of course I went in with my heat protectant that can be purchased on my website. Y'all know I sell everything, and y'all already know I sell flat irons as well. So as of now, the flat irons will be on hand in stock by June the 20th. They're pre-ordered right now because I just sold out. Thanks to y'all. Thank y'all for supporting me. Like, I really just love what I do, and then when other people just show love back, it just, I don't know, y'all, it made me happy. So thank y'all for selling your girl out. And y'all can use the discount code that's in the description box for your pre-orders, and you'll receive a free gift when you order as well. But yeah, so I'm just y'all, when y'all see the clips later on, this is gonna be a whole nother person, because I have videos of her on my channel already, and she did not act like this in the other videos. So apparently she's scared of heat, and I already did a few silk presses on her already, and she did not jump anything like that. I think it's because of she just got the texturizer, and maybe that made her scalp sensitive. But she was like, no, I've always been scared of heat, but since that was my first time coming to you, I had to be strong. I'm like, girl, what? This was a totally different person than my chill, y'all. But y'all go see, probably see it right here. So you see the short pieces of hair, like in the back of her head. They're not really that short, but it's short compared to the rest of the length of her hair. Look, just jumping. What is you jumping for? Look, she don't even want to stay still. Y'all, this she was like, them flat irons get hot as hell, which they do. They go up all the way to 480 degrees. I put hers on like 390. That's how hot they get, y'all. I put hers on like 390 just because she told me she already had texturizer, and then her hair was already pretty straight from me blow drying it. Plus I'm gonna flat iron it again after I put the tape ends in. So look, y'all, I didn't even use a hot comb on her. That's crazy. Look at her, still acting a fool. This was not the same person that I'm used to, y'all. Like, I'm weak. But she like the sweetest person ever. Like, I love her as a client. So she came to me to get these tape-ins because she's gonna be in a fashion show. Her husband designs dresses. Y'all, when y'all see her dress, y'all are gonna be speechless. He does a very good job. And so I asked her, I was like, do you work out? She was like, yeah. Why you asked her? I said, I kind of figured because wait till y'all see her body shape. And then I was like, I seen when you shared your husband picture. So he had went viral for like hoochie daddy shorts. Like if you Google hoochie daddies, he gonna pop up. Well, not hoochie daddies, but hoochie daddy shorts. And he gonna pop up. So that's how viral he had went. And I was like, and I seen him, I was like, oh y'all must be workout partners. Cause she really has like an hourglass shape. It was so perfect. So now I don't know what she was showing me in that. It looked like Instagram. But now I'm finna part off like the amount of hair that I'm gonna leave out. So I end up leaving out a good bit because as I said and as y'all can see, she has a lot of short strands. And I was trying to see, okay, with them short strands, you know, be able to be enough to hide the tape-ins for when she does her updo or not, because you know sometimes it's a little iffy. But she said she was gonna sleek her ponytail up, but just in case I left a few longer pieces out. We do not need any malfunction, especially you finna be on this runway. You need to look your best. So yeah, I'm just parting out some of the perimeter, and then I'm just go in with the tape ends and get it cracking. Okay, so this little cutout right here is a little close-up of what I'm doing. So basically I'm putting a tape in on both sides of the pieces of hair that I choose to pick up. So at the bottom I'm putting it as closest to the root as I can, and then I'm gonna put a tape in on the adjacent side at the top as close as the root as I can. It's best to put it at the back and then the front because that'll have it laying flatter versus you putting it at the front closest to the root, then trying to put it at the back closest to the root. I hope I'm making sense. I'm going to make more videos. I have a few more clients that have requested me for me to do tape-ins, and I record that process as well. I have to get used to me recording myself doing hair because the clip that's behind here, y'all see that is not that good. So y'all see right there how invisible it is. So yeah, once you put that little piece of hair on top that you're going to use to cover up, nobody's going to notice. So she opted out of me styling her hair at her appointment because like I said, she has a fashion show and someone else was supposed to style her hair for her, and the fashion show was like 2 days away. I should have styled it so I could have had better pictures, but I'm not gonna lie, y'all, I was tired and I was just like, sure, you know, I don't mind not styling it. I'm tired. So right there you see me taking some tape ends out because the part I was trying to make sure she had optional parting. So she likes side parts, but for the hairstyle she went with, it was a middle part. All you have to do to take out tape ends is just use like a little bit of alcohol and they come right off, easy peasy, nothing, you know, too bad about it. So you see as I'm like combing it up, it's undetectable. So and then she's gonna slick it up anyway, and it's gonna look flatter than me just doing how I'm doing right here. So but wait till y'all see their pictures, they look so good. Okay, so boom, that's her in the dress, and yeah, and that's him next to her, like he designed and made that dress. And y'all see how she styled it? It was so cute. Just definitely giving body. Like, stop playing. Thank y'all for watching my video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and stay tuned for more.